Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can cover your moving face with sticker or emoji in KineMaster. Okay, let's get into it guys. First thing first, you need to create your project in your KineMaster application, and then you can go to the layer menu right here and select sticker. Okay, and you can choose sticker or emoji you want to add to your video, and I'm just going to select classic sticker, and for instance I'm gonna go with this one. I'm gonna add it to my video. Okay, then we can make it align with our video by dragging the sticker. Then you can adjust the size of the sticker like this, and if you want to make the sticker follow the moving object or the moving face, you can apply this feature. This is like a keyframe feature guys. You just need to click on this feature, wait, like this, and you can adjust it one by one, just like this. You can make this sticker completely follow your moving face, just like this. Okay, and I'm going to check the final result guys. Okay, I'm gonna play the video. Okay, and this is the final result. Okay guys, and that's how we can cover our face in KineMaster using sticker. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.